Okay, so this is the lab week 9. I am Lily and this is part 1 of lab week 9. So in this lab, I'm gonna go ahead and run it for you, but I just want to let you guys know that I don't really know how to output the name of the user input, the name, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just go ahead and run it and show you what I have so far. So the issue that I'm having is that it does this. It does not allow me to give a string name as an answer. So I can only put in an integer. So for example, however the math works. So the year I was born, 2001, and enter the current year, 2024. And then it says, hello blank, you are 23 years old. So that's how my code runs. But as you can see, the name is missing. So that is my problem. For how the actual code works under this data label. So first I have the library imported. Then I have all the data labels accordingly. So I have the prompts and the bytes. And then I also have these are attempts right here to make new lines in the terminal when I'm outputting so that they aren't getting squashed together. And this is the actual code for the main procedure, like so. This is where I was struggling the most, the name. However, the birth year, current year, and calculating the age does seem to work. And that is part 1 of my code. I still do need to revise it because of the name not working, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you part 2 of the code now. Okay, so here is part 2 of my code, which is the math equation one. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it for you and show you a demonstration of how it works. So I'm gonna click run, and then for the second value I'm gonna put 10. I'm gonna do 2 for the value 3, and then 4 for value 4. And then it's going to give me 20, which is value 1. So this one works, and it also shows the register as well because I used the dump reg function. So I'll go ahead and show you like kind of side by side how that happened. So the equation we're looking at right now. So first, let me just go ahead and start off and tell you that this is where I put the data. So these are the operands. So this is the result that we want because the initial problem was asking for what value 1 would be. And then, these are the other numbers that go into it that we're asking for from the user right over here. Over here is the main procedure as well, and the registers that they're getting moved to accordingly. Let's see. We need these call write strings and call read integers in each of the user inputs. And then right over here is where the actual mathematical calculations happen. And there's steps right here on where the values are loaded into in the registers. Sorry for any noise in the background, but yeah. So these are the steps on how the integers are moved in, and then this is how the results are displayed right here, and then this line will print the result. As for when I was showing you guys this part earlier, the register, the way I got that was by calling the dump register. And that is basically the end of my assembly lab for week 9. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.